Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its groundbreaking impact on the automotive industry. From innovative designs to advanced autonomous capabilities, AI has revolutionized the way we drive and interact with our cars. Let's explore how some of the top automakers like Tesla, Toyota, BMW, Audi, Jaguar, and others are leveraging AI to create safer, smarter, and more efficient vehicles. Let's start with Tesla, the electric vehicle pioneer. Tesla has been at the forefront of integrating AI into their cars, giving them a competitive edge in the market. Over 500,000 Teslas all over the world are feeding data back to Elon Musk's headquarters to train their autonomous car algorithms. This data gives Tesla a huge advantage in the race to put more self-driving cars on the road. One of the most prominent features that AI enables in Tesla's vehicles is the autopilot system. Using an array of sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms, Tesla's autopilot allows the car to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically under certain conditions. It can even change lanes and navigate complex road situations. Moving on to Toyota, they have adopted AI in their design process. AI helps streamline the design phase, assisting engineers in generating optimized aerodynamic shapes, which ultimately improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. Toyota now announces it is starting to research AI-based car design thanks to its generative artificial intelligence technique developed by the Toyota Research Institute, TRI. Generative AI tools are often used as inspiration for designers, but cannot handle the complex engineering and safety considerations that go into actual car design. Avinash Balachandran, director of TRI's Human Interactive Driving (HID) division, explains. This technique combines Toyota's traditional engineering strengths with the state-of-the-art capabilities of modern generative AI. Now let's talk about BMW. As part of that industry-wide trend, the BMW Group is now shifting gears to rely more heavily on AI to create a leaner and more efficient manufacturing process. They've implemented a voice-controlled AI assistant in their newer models. Artificial intelligence, however, can already be used and experienced by drivers and passengers of BMW Group vehicles. Available in many models since the end of 2018, the intelligent personal assistant uses AI and makes it easier for the customer to operate the vehicle. With the command, "Hey BMW," the driver can activate the IPA and control many functions by voice command like adjust temperature settings, access navigation, play music, and even ask for real-time traffic updates without taking their hands off the wheel. Audi has taken the use of AI a step further with their AI-enhanced virtual cockpit. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze driver behavior, preferences, and past driving patterns to provide personalized suggestions and recommendations during the drive. Audi is to use artificial intelligence in their designs moving forward. The marque will start by using FEL-GAN, an AI software to design their wheels. The Audi of 2022 leads in the automotive industry, with vehicles that have a high level of equipment, be that in their SUVs like the Audi Q5 or their wagons like the A6 Avant. The company has to stay on top of all technological development, ensuring that they not only compete with their German peers, but also an aspirational goal for motorists. Mercedes-Benz is further expanding the use of artificial intelligence and integrating it into the voice control of its vehicles as the next step. By adding ChatGPT, voice control via the MBUX voice assistants, "Hey Mercedes," will become even more intuitive. An optional beta program started on June 16, 2023 in the United States for over 900,000 vehicles equipped with the MBUX infotainment system. Jaguar Land Rover announced it will partner with NVIDIA on a range of technology fronts, which customers will start experiencing from 2025. Central to this will be the installation of NVIDIA Drive computer chips as a standard feature in future vehicles from the Jaguar and Land Rover brands. This chip is designed to handle artificial intelligence features, including self-driving capability and other AI-enabled services and experiences in the works. The new partnership will also see Jaguar Land Rover use NVIDIA systems for machine learning, also referred to as deep learning, to help improve AI features over time. These improvements can then be sent as over-the-air updates throughout the life of the vehicle. Volvo Cars and NVIDIA are developing the next-generation car computer capable of advanced onboard processing. These new cars will be equipped with interior sensors and actuators that will further improve the personal car experience and create the intelligent cabin using artificial intelligence, contextual awareness, and sensor fusion technology. The infrastructure enables the car, the cloud, and other user devices to interact seamlessly and provide recommendations to the user with contextual awareness. It's not just these renowned brands that are embracing AI. Many other automakers have also adopted AI-driven features. From self-parking capabilities to adaptive cruise control, the possibilities are endless. As AI continues to evolve, so will the automotive industry. These cutting-edge technologies are not only making driving safer and more convenient but are also propelling us towards a future of fully autonomous vehicles. Exciting times lie ahead. What do you think about the futuristic car designed by AI? Let us know in the comments section and subscribe us if you found this video helpful.